bad bitch Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana.
So right now she's braiding my hair down. The wig is a frontal lace wig. It's 130 density, and I believe it's a deep wave. So yeah, just watch her braid me down. Then we're gonna get into the wig cap, and then, you know, further on. So right here, she had cut the ears out of the wig cap, you know, because that's how you're supposed to do it when you get a frontal. And she's just spraying the wig. She sprayed it actually a few times, but yeah, she just want to make sure everything was tight and secured how I liked it. You know, I like how she braided my hair tightly and everything was secured. So after she sprayed the got to be spray on my wig, she actually ended up bleaching and plucking my frontal for me. As you see right here, she's plucking it. And she's just making sure that it looks more realistic, you know, very natural looking. So yeah, watch her work, guys. She did her thing. So right here, she's putting makeup on my wig cap to give you a more natural looking scalp part, you know, because ain't nobody scalp this color. So, you know, she's putting some color on it, make it look more natural, more realistic. So right here, she's cutting off the excess lace, you know, preparing me to melt me down, mold me, get me right, slay me to the gods, you know what lace. That's what she finna do, y'all, so stay tuned for the rest. So okay, the wig's finally on. She's right now, she's just like trying it on, making sure, you know, she plucked enough, everything looks okay. Then she's finna cut the rest of the lace, and then she's going to go over with some more powder, making sure everything looks, you know, realistic and natural, because that's what we're going for here. We don't want no fake wiggies. All natural, wet lace. Right here you can see she's going over my hairline with the bulb hold, and she's going to coat that twice. She's going to dry coat, and then I believe she's going to coat it one more time, because you know we don't want it going nowhere. Secure that wig, girl, secure that wig. Let's get into it. Right here you can see her checking if it's like ear to ear, you know, cutting the excess lace off, making sure, you know, it's getting held down with the glue. So she's like molding it and cutting as she go, laying the lace down with the glue, and then cutting the rest off. Just watch today, y'all. She finna slay me. She really finna slay me. So right here, I'm just checking my middle part. Do y'all see that plucking though? She plucked my middle part so well. Like, it looks so realistic. You know, she takes pride in her parts. She let me know that. She said if a part crooked, she gonna keep trying until she get it right. So she did that. And right now, she's creating me some baby hairs. The first time around, they were thin, and I wanted a little thicker baby hairs. So she went ahead and achieved that for me. And we're almost done with the video, actually. At the end, she's gonna mold me up, you know, put some mousse on it, make sure it's a nice hold, hit me with the hot comb, and then we shall be done. So I should see you guys at the end of this video. So this is the final results. I like everything that she did. She did everything to the T. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll check you guys out later.